Under is a dynamic data narrative interface that allows its users to explore and compare information on the landscape changing, population distribution, and housing price in Boston through the time scale of past, present, and future. Let's dive into the past first. When the Puritans arrived in 1630, much of the land that underlies some of the oldest parts of Boston didn't exist. This photo gallery feature shows a series of photos and illustrations of the Boston landscape when Bostonians first began to make their peninsula bigger. You also have the option to view more information by tapping on the photos you are interested in. Let's explore more in the past. The Old Map Collector is a dynamic map viewing feature that allows its user to explore and layer maps on top of each other. For example, let's go to 1835. First, you have the option to view more information about the year by tapping on the control block with the year on. The Details feature shows you even more information about the topic you are interested in. Now let's play with the map. The Outline button helps you view the edges more clearly with colored outlines. The Shade button colors the area you are viewing. This color is too dark. But you can adjust the transparency of the colored area by sliding the Fade button left or right. And the Compare button keeps the colored or the outlined area on top of other maps so that you have a better idea of how much land Boston gained over the last 200 years. You can see in 1857, we started to gain some lands around the outer edges. We can always adjust the transparency of the shaded area by using the Fade feature. Can you imagine, at that time, the Back Bay area was filled with trash and other debris as fill material was less available. Today, the major land-making projects are over. But I'm curious how much land Bostonians have gained over the 200 years. By comparing the map of today with the map of 1835, I realized that the Seaport District, Back Bay and partial of South End were all under the water 200 years ago. The apartment I'm living in right now didn't even exist in 1835.